Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another exciting language learning adventure. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful word, dress. So what does dress mean? Well, it's an A1 level verb, which simply means to put on clothes. You dress yourself, you dress your children, or you dress for an occasion. It's all about what you're wearing. Let's explore this word a bit more. Dress is used in everyday language all the time. For example, I need to dress before we go out. Or, what should I dress in for the party? You can see how frequently it comes up. Now, let's look at some synonyms, words that have similar meanings. A good synonym for dress is clothe. For example, instead of saying I need to dress my baby, you could say, I need to clothe my baby. They both mean the same thing. Another synonym, though slightly less common, is attire. We might say, she attired herself in a beautiful gown. This is a bit more formal than just saying she dressed. Remember, clothe and attire can usually be used in place of dress, but it's good to be aware of the slight differences in formality. Let's use clothe in a few more sentences. Please clothe yourself warmly, it's cold outside. Or, the charity helps to clothe the homeless. Now, let's consider antonyms, words that mean the opposite of dress. The most obvious antonym is undress. To undress means to take clothes off. For instance, I undress as soon as I get home from work. Another antonym, though less direct, could be disrobe. Disrobe is similar to undress, but it often suggests a more formal or ceremonial removal of clothing. You might see it used in historical contexts like, the king was disrobed before his execution, or the actor disrobed backstage after the performance. So, undress and disrobe are the opposite of dress. Let's use undress in some more sentences. He undressed quickly and jumped into bed. Or, you should undress before taking a shower. So we've learned that dress means to put on clothes and that its antonyms are undress and disrobe. Now, let's look at how dress is used in everyday life. Imagine you're going to a job interview. You might say, I need to dress professionally for the interview. Or, if you're going to the beach, you might say, I'm going to dress in my swimsuit. If it's a cold day, you might say make sure you dress warmly. You can also use dress in a more figurative sense. For example, the town was dressed in holiday decorations. This means that the town was decorated, as though it were putting on decorations like clothes. Here are some more examples of how dress is used in sentences and phrases. She likes to dress in bright colors. He dressed the wound carefully. Here, dress means to apply a dressing to like a bandage, but it still has the idea of putting something on. They dressed the stage for the play. I need to dress my hair before the meeting. She takes a long time to dress in the morning. He dressed up as a clown for the party. I saw the queen dress in royal blue silk. Let's remember today's key points. Dress means to put on clothes. Synonyms include clothe and attire, and antonyms include undress and disrobe. Dress is used in countless situations every day. Remember, it is important to dress appropriately for the wedding. The manager asks her employee to dress appropriately when attending the meetings. He must dress as quickly as possible to get to the meeting at 3 p.m. She wanted to dress in a different style, something original. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the word dress with me today. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps other language learners find our show. And now for your homework. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word dress and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!